Want to learn Chinese but don't know where to begin? Here's a simple way to start in 5 steps. Step 1. Download the Playli app and choose Chinese as the language you want to learn. Then choose from over 30 translation languages. Step 2. Start with HSK vocabulary and phrases, or explore everyday topics and useful real-life situations. Step 3. Now set up Chinese listening for your level. If you're just starting, use pinyin to see how each phrase is pronounced. As you become more comfortable, switch to Chinese characters with tone marks, or simply listen while reading the characters themselves. You can also adjust repetitions, pauses, translations, and playback speed, so the listening never feels too easy or too difficult. Step 4. Once the sounds start becoming familiar, say the phrases yourself. Speaking mode lets you repeat what you hear and compare your pronunciation with the original. Step 5. The most important part is to keep listening regularly. Use a walk, your commute, exercise, or any moment when your ears are free. Set a reminder, build a streak, and let Chinese become a natural part of your day. Learning Chinese starts with getting used to how it sounds. Put on your headphones, choose something useful, and start listening. Download Playli and make Chinese part of your day.